Welcome to the Invisible Stage Daily, the daily dose of inspiration that helps you grow, lead, and show up with confidence. My name is Sabine Kvenberg, and the topic for today is how to start a conversation. I often talk about speaking in front of an audience, but sometimes we overlook how to start a conversation, period. And that is actually one of the easiest things you can do. Well, maybe you say, oh, Sabine, it's easy for you to say, right? You have no fear. So let me help you to make it easy for you. How does that sound? Of course, it depends on the setting that you are in. But something very simple that can almost apply to anything, as you go up to a person that you have not met yet, say, I believe we haven't met yet. Hi, my name is Sabine Kvenberg. This is as simple as that, right? And guess what happens? 99.9% a person shakes the hand, well, maybe just if you don't shake hands, it's okay too, says, oh yeah, hi, my name is Susie Q, whatever it is, right? So that is a very, very easy conversation starter. And then it depends on where you are, the setting. Maybe you are in a personal setting. Oh, how did you know Sue? Or how did you know Jeff? Oh, very nice. If it's in a business setting, well, what brings you here? So these are very simple things. And then the conversation starts. If you are in a more business setting, then you might say, because if you want to set yourself up as an authority right away, so you can add something onto it. Hi, my name is Sabine Kvenberg. I'm also known as the storytelling dame from Germany. If you are in a business setting, that looks a little bit different. What you want to do is you want to introduce yourself so that people already know what you do without really saying it, right? So let me give you an example. How I often introduce myself is, hi, my name is Sabine Kvenberg. I'm also known as the storytelling dame from Germany because as a former actress and director, I know the power of storytelling. That's it. And they know already, okay, she is from Germany and she was an actress and director. She knows storytelling. That tells you a lot in just one sentence introduction, right? So think about it for yourself. How could you introduce yourself with a little tagline that shows who you are and what you do, right? And then the other, how do you get or feel that courage together to go in front, to start that conversation, right? Now that you know, okay, these are a couple conversation starters, but how can I get over that fear to even go up to that person? In my experience, being at many, many networking events and conferences, you know, the majority of people feel just the way you do. Remember that. And they probably are happy that you took the first step. Think about that for a moment. All of a sudden, you feel good about going up to a person because now you know you are the one who helps them feel confidence. Now, what does that do to your confidence? So, here you have it. You have some very easy conversation starters. And just remember, you can be the hero for another person. And if it happened to be a person who says, oh, I have to go because I have to do something, then that's probably true and it has nothing to do with you. So here you have it. That was my invisible stage tip for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. And if it was helpful, share with someone you could really benefit from it. Until I see you again, always remember, master the moments no one sees, lead the moments everyone remembers.